Hello everyone, welcome to Aanvii Hearing. Today I'm going to talk about hearing test, what to know before you go. Hearing tests play a crucial role in assessing and diagnosing hearing loss. If you are scheduled for a hearing test or considering one, it's essential to be prepared and know what to expect. In this podcast, we'll guide you through the key aspects of hearing test, providing valuable information to help you feel informed and confident during the process. Understanding the purpose of the test, the different types of assessments, and how to prepare will ensure that you will have a productive and successful hearing test experience. The importance of hearing test. Hearing tests are vital for various reasons. Early detection. Regular hearing tests enable early detection of hearing loss, allowing for timely intervention and treatment. Identifying hearing loss early can help prevent further deterioration and mitigate its impact on communication and overall quality of life. Baseline assessment. Hearing tests establish a baseline for your hearing abilities, providing a reference point for future comparisons. This baseline helps audiologists monitor changes in your hearing over time and tailor treatment strategies accordingly. Types of hearing test. Understanding the different types of hearing tests can help you know what to expect. Pure tone audiometry. Pure tone audiometry assesses your ability to hear sounds across different frequencies. You will wear headphones or earphones and indicate when you hear a tone at various volumes and pitches. Speech audiometry. Speech audiometry evaluates your ability to understand and repeat spoken words or sentences at different volume levels. It measures your speech discrimination skills and helps determine the impact of hearing loss on speech comprehension. Tympanometry. Tympanometry assesses the mobility of your drum and the function of the middle ear. It involves inserting a small probe into the ear canal and measuring the response to changes in air pressure. Preparing for a hearing test. To ensure a successful hearing test, consider the following preparation tips. Research the facility. Familiarize yourself with the cleaning of facility where the hearing test will take place. Verify the location, parking options, and any specific instructions provided. Make a list of concerns. Note down any specific hearing concerns or difficulties you've been experiencing. This information will be valuable to share with the audiologist during the evaluation. Bring necessary documentation. Carry your relevant medical reports or previous hearing test results. Mentally prepare. Relax and mentally prepare yourself for the hearing test. It is a non-invasive and painless procedure designed to assess your hearing ability. During the hearing test, it's important to follow instructions. Listen carefully to the audiologist's instructions and respond promptly and accurately when you hear sounds or words. Provide feedback. If you are having difficulty hearing or understanding during the test, don't hesitate to inform the audiologist. Your feedback will help ensure accurate test results. Ask questions. If you have any questions or concerns during the test, feel free to ask the audiologist for clarification. Understanding the process can help you feel more at ease. Hearing tests are an essential step in monitoring and managing your hearing health. By knowing the importance of hearing tests, understanding the types of assessments involved, and adequately preparing for the evaluation, you can approach your hearing test with confidence. Remember to communicate openly with the audiologist throughout the process and share any concerns or difficulties you have been experiencing. With regular hearing tests and appropriate interventions, you can maintain optimal hearing health and enjoy a better quality of life. To book an appointment, now call 9658395839 or visit www.aanvihearing.com.